Hey friends, if you encounter this error where it says ERR name not resolved, if you wish to know what it means and how to fix it, then please watch this video. Now don't follow the instructions on other websites and channels because they are going to keep you in a loop, like check for the internet connection and all. Obviously those are the basic steps, but here's what you have to do. This is an issue with the DNS resolution. Okay, the DNS is not being resolved. So in this case, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right click on the Wi-Fi network and then select properties. Double click on Internet Protocol version 4. If it's selected, obtain a DNS server address automatically. Select the second option. Now, the preferred DNS address is 8.8.8.8 and the alternate one is 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and then on OK once again and it will fix your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.